everyone, it's been a while since we did an updated video here on this 1969 Simplicity 727 here. This tractor here, well, it had to take the back burner here for a while, but she's up and she's finished now, so I'll bring you guys over here and we'll check this out. She's a nice little machine. Like I said, this was just a cleanup basically on this. This is kind of my version of a patina anyway, but I'll come get you guys check this out. Oh no, this little fella here, she came out pretty decent. We went through and we finished this seat on here, and as you can see, I did a short on this a while back on how I fixed the crack here in this seat, and well, as you can see, that's holding up really well. Now, something else I had to do, I got these headlights here. These are kind of close to the original Simplicity headlights. They're kind of actually a cargo light in a way, but now I couldn't, unfortunately, well, a lot of these parts on this tractor, they're just no longer available anymore. Your slip pads here, you can't get these anymore, so I just went to the old box store and picked up some deck and patio slip guards and cut these and put on here to replace those, and I even made one to go on the brake pedal right there. We put new rubber on this thing all the way around the front tires and went with these turf tires here on the back. Now, the only thing I do not have for this tractor to finish it, and well, this is probably something I'm just going to have to watch for swap meets for, is I just cannot find those front hubcaps for this thing. I did order some on the bay I thought were it, but they weren't the right size, so I ended up replacing the carburetors for looks. See, it looks good with the back hubcaps on it. One thing pretty cool about this is it's got this original Simplicity weight that goes on the back of it. I cleaned those up and we're leaving that on there. I do have a snowplow to go on this. I do need to get it all cleaned up and restored and painted. I may put that on here. We'll see. I also don't have the wing nuts or pins that go on here and hold the hood on there. So until I can actually find the original ones for that, I'm just going to leave it just like it is. The hood does sit on there tight, and it doesn't go anywhere when you're driving it. Also, I need to find the gas cap that goes down in here with the gauge. That's another issue that's no longer available. I can't seem to find. But oh no, she turned out real good. So why don't we take this fella here for a drive. I think these motors here, they got a nice little sound to them. As you can see right here with our generators working that we rebuilt. Well, she's going to be heading out with us, going over to the Fly Wheeler show, to the tractor show there, and be driving this around the grounds over there for display. Well, there you have it. This is one's been sitting around for a while. I'm going to put a link up here, you know, if you're just stopping by here the first time and seen this little fella here. We did a video a while back on it, and where after this tractor had been sitting for over 20 years and didn't run, we got this thing up and got it running, and you also showed what it looked like back then from as opposed to what it looks like right now. So, but yeah, I'm not quite sure what our next restoration project's going to be. Like I say, I'll also put a link up here in the video to a Sears Custom 10 XL tractor that we went through and restored and got that up and going. So, well, there's been a few runs on different tractors we done. We did a couple of vintage AMF tractors. Maybe we'll do one of those. Or I got a John Deere 110 we might do. And I just want to say I appreciate every one of you for stopping by, taking time, and investing, checking out these videos we're doing here. We enjoy doing these videos very much. If you're stopping by here for the first time, I got a playlist of all kinds of different videos. If you're into farmhaul tractors, we got some videos on those. We got a Ford tractor we're working on. We got a few Willet runs on antique garden tractors like this, and there's some push mowers in there as well. There's some carburetor rebuilds. You might find something the playlist. You might find something you're liking. Something else too. If you see some of these older videos, some of the other tractors, I'm open for some suggestions on what one we should restore next. Hopefully you're enjoying this content and some of the videos we're getting into and doing on some of these antique garden tractors and even some of the farmhaul stuff. Please feel free to leave a like or a comment down below, and maybe if I can convince you to subscribe, that'd be excellent. Until next time, we'll see you in our next video. Everyone, take care.